you need to activate your computer command environment, which is type in the command for computer environment. Now the program can be run in two ways. You have the GUI interface program and the one running command prompt. So I am going to run the first one in command prompt, and this is voice email system. First run the one in command prompt.
Welcome to your voice email. Say a command, check inbox, compose, search, help, or quit.
Now we have a command that is in 4 ways. You can say a command.
I didn't catch that.
Yes,
say help for options.
Now it's saying all this because probably it's not understanding what I'm saying, but I have to say whatever it is according to the command, and I need to follow this command lines. So now I'm going to send one of the command lines. Check inbox. It's able to from my command. Check inbox.
I didn't catch that. Say help for options.
Check inbox. You can see it's checking the inbox with the voice command.
I found 9 messages. Say read number 1 or just say the number. 1 DevPost support at devpost.com. Project feedback, how to get to the ADTC semifinals, Africa Deep. Tech Challenge 20252. AliExpress ae-interest.ae8@mail.aliexpress.com is selling real quick. ESP32 development board wireless Wi-Fi approaching. Apply to YECO 2025 today.
Read number 1.
I didn't catch that.
Read
say
number
help
1.
for options.
Read number 1.
From DevPost support at devpost.com. Subject: Project feedback, how to get to the ADTC semifinals, Africa Deep Tech.
It is reading
Challenge 2025.
Number 1.
Here is the message.
It's
http://devpost.com. Dear ADTC 2025 participant, in line with our promise to provide actionable feedback, welcome to your voice email. Say a command, check inbox, compose, search, help, or quit.
Compose.
No, I didn't forget. I'm just about it.
I didn't catch that. Say help for options.
Compose.
Who do you want to email? You can say a name in your contacts or spell an address.
Joy.
What is the subject?
Testing my program.
You said subject, testing my program. Speak your message. Say stop message when you are done.
This is just a simple message for testing my program. Stop message.
Here is your message. Is it just a simple message? Stop music. Send to freeproject4real@gmail.com. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Sent.
Now a message I got to send to my email using voice command. So let's go and check my email to see if the message was delivered. Now the message actually was delivered. You can see testing program subject. You can see. Opening it now. And testing my program. The